The new KAMAZ 4310 2026 is a rebirth of one of Russia's most iconic and reliable off-road trucks, designed for both military and civilian use. This new generation of KAMAZ keeps the spirit of the original 4310 that served for decades in harsh environments, but brings a modern twist with advanced engineering, updated styling, and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 version is not just an upgraded truck, it's a complete reinvention that combines power, durability, and modern comfort to meet the demands of today's world. The exterior of the new KAMAZ 4310 immediately catches attention with its bold and muscular design. Painted in a unique blue-greenish metallic tone, the truck looks modern and aggressive. The redesigned front grille proudly displays the KAMAZ logo, surrounded by powerful LED headlights that ensure perfect visibility in all conditions. The front bumper is reinforced with steel, built to survive collisions and extreme terrain. The high ground clearance and large all-terrain tires make this truck ready for mountains, deserts, and muddy roads alike. The side profile remains true to the military DNA of the original 4310, but with smoother lines, aerodynamic improvements, and stronger wheel arches. The chassis of the 2026 model is built from high-strength steel and lightweight composite materials, improving both rigidity and fuel efficiency. The suspension system has been completely redesigned to provide better stability and comfort on off-road journeys. The truck is available in multiple configurations, including a flatbed cargo version, troop transport version, and special utility versions for rescue or expedition use. Every part of this vehicle is engineered to survive the harshest conditions, from Siberian winters to desert heat, without losing performance. Under the hood, the new KAMAZ 4310 2026 features a powerful turbo diesel engine delivering around 450 horsepower, paired with a modern 8-speed automatic transmission. The torque output is immense, allowing it to tow heavy loads and climb steep slopes with ease. Advanced fuel injection and turbo systems reduce emissions while improving fuel economy. The four-wheel drive system is electronically controlled, allowing the driver to switch modes depending on terrain conditions, sand, snow, mud, or rock. This engine is not only powerful but also reliable, built to last hundreds of thousands of kilometers without major service. Inside, the 2026 model surprises with comfort that earlier generations never had. The cabin is redesigned to provide a balance between rugged practicality and modern technology. The steering wheel feels strong and ergonomic, while the dashboard integrates a digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system. Climate control, GPS navigation, and connectivity features like Bluetooth and USB ports make long drives more enjoyable. The seats are crafted from durable, easy-to-clean fabric with extra cushioning and heating options for cold climates. Sound insulation is greatly improved, turning what used to be a loud machine into a quiet and comfortable workspace for the driver. Safety has also been elevated to new levels. The KAMAZ 4310 2026 comes equipped with ABS, traction control, hill descent assist, and advanced braking systems designed for heavy loads. Optional features include 360-degree cameras, night vision assist, and automatic emergency braking, features rarely seen in traditional off-road trucks. The vehicle structure is reinforced with impact-absorbing zones to protect the driver and passengers in the event of an accident. In terms of practicality, this truck remains a workhorse. It can carry enormous payloads over long distances, and its bed can be customized for various missions, from military transport to construction or exploration. Its towing capacity has been increased significantly, and maintenance access points are simplified to make repairs easy in the field. The fuel tanks are larger, extending the range to over 1,000 kilometers on a single fill-up, ideal for remote operations. Beyond the technical specifications, what makes the 2026 KAMAZ 4310 special is its identity. It's a symbol of Russian engineering heritage brought into the modern age. For decades, the 4310 served as the backbone of the Soviet and Russian armed forces, conquering terrain that would stop most other vehicles. Now, with advanced design, modern materials, and contemporary comfort, it has become a vehicle that can appeal not only to the military but also to adventure enthusiasts, off-road lovers, and heavy-duty professionals worldwide. The new KAMAZ 4310 2026 represents more than a truck, it's a bridge between past and future. It honors a legend that carried soldiers, workers, and dreamers across impossible landscapes, while introducing new technology, safety, and comfort for the next generation. In its blue-green armor, standing tall against the horizon, the 4310 is ready once again to prove that true strength never gets old, it only evolves.